Yeah. I wanna fuck you right now. Reverse that car, girl, I'm bucking right now. Climb on the standard rail, hope you can handle it. Beat that cat up when it's down, put it down. Let's make a movie, girl, I do the shooting. Camera in my left, put your hand in my right. Water keep dripping while I lay this pipe. Sex is a drug, well, let's enjoy this high. No time to make love it. Keep screaming you want it. Girl, you looking lovely. When you ride this pony, we can do this till the morning. So please come and ride me. Love it when I'm deep inside you. You going crazy, yeah. Kissing wherever you want me. I go bananas when I'm in that monkey. Lately been feeling like a junkie. Pum, beat it up like a drummer. You know that I'm nasty, you know that I want it. Struck out you zone, but I'm on it. You screaming my name and say, Daddy, I'm coming. I'm coming too, I put mine in your stomach. So baby, let's go. I wanna feel your body on top of mine. Right now, we ain't gon' waste no time, baby. Like a heart in the wind that you bring to your friends when you ride. Like a rodeo, ride like a rodeo, baby. I wanna feel your body on top of mine. Right now, we ain't gon' waste no time, baby. Like a heart in the wind that you bring to your friends when you ride.
I'm so encaptured, got me wrapped up in your touch. Feel so enamored, hold me tight within your clutch. How do you do it? You got me losing every breath. Why did you give me to make my heart beat out my chest?
Kiss it, baby. Tell me when you really miss me, baby. Sex is a sport and you can picture, baby. Gotta take my time when I'm in it, baby. Foreplay only if you with it, baby. She can join in since y'all kissing, baby. My sex drive at all time, high, beat it up, but I promise I won't kill it, baby. Will, girl, just tell me how you want it. I got good stamina, mommy. You like to scratch on my back, but tonight you on top of this pony. Breathing hard, you got me sweating. I'm trying to eat you for breakfast, eat you for lunch and dinner if you let me. I'm trying to give you what you really missing, yeah.